Born in the modest town of Morbi near Rajkot in Gujarat, Mahesh Kumar Nirmal's journey began with humble beginnings. At the tender age of 4, he was sent to live with his grandparents, while his parents navigated life in Bombay. These early years, though challenging, laid the foundation for a life defined by resilience, independence, and a vision to create something extraordinary. Mahesh Kumar's education started in a Gujarati medium municipal school with minimal infrastructure, but his determination and passion for learning were evident early on. By the 8th grade, he developed a keen interest in technical subjects and engineering drawing, inspired by a teacher who recognized his potential.
I had to become engineer. Maybe 8, 9, 10th, I was fascinated by design and drawing very much. I was very good in engineering drawing, not artistic drawing. And that subject I used to like very much.
When Mahesh Kumar moved to Bombay to live with his parents by 10th standard studies, he faced the dual challenge of adapting to a bustling city and overcoming language barriers. But his perseverance prevailed. He pursued his mechanical engineering at Harvard University, and after graduating in 1986, began his professional journey with a company manufacturing tanks, vessels, and other fabrications. Though a mechanical engineer by qualification, his work ethic drove him to convert every opportunity that came his way, and he was able to garner experience across various aspects of engineering like structural design, civil design, and others. His multifaceted expertise in engineering design is solely thanks to his personal ethos of constantly wanting to learn more and do more, something that has found its way into the very core of Pemex working to this day.
And he gave me a right company where I learned what is design, how actual fabrication happens, what is the quality. That was a wonderful company. So I worked there for about close to 2 years, less than 2 years.
Mahesh Kumar stood out as hands-on leader, eager to learn from every experience and every person he worked with. He consistently delivered more than was expected, a quality that earned him the respect and trust of colleagues and clients alike. At just 26, armed with ambition and a belief in the power of youthful energy, Mahesh Kumar took the entrepreneurial leap. Pemex was founded in 1988 with no financial cushion. The family was young and not well off. With almost nothing as capital, Mahesh Kumar had the wealth of the wholehearted support and encouragement from his wife Poonam. Pemex began in the humble circumstances of a borrowed typewriter and a printed letterhead, but has steadily grown from strength to strength over the years. Pemex commenced its operations in a small rented space of 50 square feet with no employees or infrastructure. Mahesh Kumar often handled every aspect of the business himself, drafting designs, meeting clients, and even delivering documents, all while working 18 to 20 hours on some days. Each day was a battle against the odds, but his unwavering commitment to his dream kept him going. Once again, his wife, who was herself an aspiring lawyer at the time, decided to learn engineering with the sole objective of supporting her husband at this crucial juncture in their business and family. Convincing clients to trust a fledgling business was no easy task. His first project, a high-stakes Rs 18,000 deal, was a make-or-break moment. Delivering exceptional value wasn't just a goal, it was a necessity. This project became a turning point.
तो मेरे से बात किया तो मैंने ये काम बहुत किया विजिटेंस में, तो उसको एकदम भरोसा आ गया। मेरे पास 3 दिन कुछ नहीं है, कर देगा, हाँ कर दूंगा, मैं कैसे करेगा मुझे नहीं मालूम, ऐसा करने का सब कर देगा, मैं सब कर दूंगा, लाओ तो करके काम तो पकड़ लिया मैंने। फिर अभी करेगा कौन? ऑफिस नहीं है, अभी मेरे को ड्राइंग बनाने का है, बोर्ड नहीं है, पेन नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है। वो रूम ऐसा छोटा सा रूम था, उसमें उनका दुनिया भर का भंगार सामान पड़ा था, एक टेबल था, एक बोर्ड में लगा है, पेपर के लिए पैसा नहीं, पेन के लिए पैसा नहीं था। तब तक तो 3,000 खत्म हो गया हमारा जो था वो पैसा। फिर हम लोग ने मैरिज का कवर निकाला, उसमें से 700-800 रुपया निकला उस टाइम पे। किसने 10 रुपया दिया, किसने 50 रुपया दिया, वो निकाला हम लोग, मैंने और मेरी वाइफ ने। वो मैं जाकर मैं पेपर लेके आया और पेन लेके आया, वो फिर वो बनाना चालू किया, वो सबमिट किया, उसको बना के दिया। मैंने तो खुद 18,000 के साथ में देखा नहीं था, 18,000 का काम मिला मुझे।
With the success of the first project, Pemex slowly began to attract more clients, steadily building its reputation. By the early 1990s, the company had diversified its portfolio, taking on engineering and design projects in storage tanks, refineries, oil and gas. Pmec's ability to offer multidisciplinary services set it apart from competitors and opened doors to international collaborations. In 1993, the firm secured its first export project from Kuwait, marking the start of a global journey. The turn of millennium brought another wave of growth as Pmec expanded its team and invested in proprietary engineering software. By focusing on innovation and client-centric solutions, the company began to handle large-scale projects, earning the trust of major industry players. Pmec's work formed the backbone of industries that touch millions of lives and power the planet. Today, Pmec Consultants Private Limited stands as a global leader in engineering, procurement and construction management (EPCM) services. With over 36 years of experience and more than 2,250 projects delivered over 40 countries across 6 continents, the company epitomizes innovation and expertise. Its services span diverse sectors, including oil and gas, refineries, power plants, chemical and fertilizer plants, and water treatment. Pmec employs over 250 professionals whose collective talent and dedication have been instrumental in shaping the company's journey. What makes Pmec truly unique isn't just its technical expertise, it's the heart behind the work. The company's ability to deeply understand client needs, even those that go unspoken, has allowed it to build lasting, trust-filled relationships. Pmec, with its unique work ethic and huge spectrum of expertise, has carved out a place for itself in the highly competitive global market of engineering design. It's no wonder that their clients see them more as a strategic partner than a vendor, which has resulted in very high levels of client retention and organic business growth. To this day, Pmec has almost 80% of their business coming from repeat clients. Pmec's journey from a modest, rented office to a global player is a testament to its resilience and creativity. This culture of overcoming challenges with humility and determination has become part of Pmec's DNA, inspiring its employees to approach every project with a sense of purpose and possibility. What truly sets Pmec apart is its people. Mahesh Kumar himself exemplifies servant leadership, working alongside his team, solving problems, and ensuring every promise made to clients is kept. His hands-on approach and unwavering commitment to excellence resonate across the organization, creating a culture of accountability, innovation, and pride in every project undertaken. This is best expressed in the organization's new tagline and identity, Blueprints of Honor. Pmec truly stands apart in its commitment to clients and the work culture that cultivates honorable engineers for a better world tomorrow. In 2016, this legacy was further strengthened when Mahesh Kumar's daughter, Lekha, joined the business. Just like her father, Lekha is equally driven and has harbored a dream of working with Pmec since she was 6 years old. A qualified process engineer, she brings fresh perspectives and drive to embrace sustainability and emerging trends without compromising on the fundamental strengths of Pmec's work ethics. Lekha is now ready to take Pmec into its next chapter. Under her leadership, the company is poised to achieve 100% year-on-year growth, building on its strong foundation to reach even greater heights. Lekha ensures that while Pmec evolves with the times, it remains firmly rooted in the values that made it successful: integrity, quality, and an unyielding passion for making a difference. Pmec's story is one of grit, vision, and purpose. It's about more than just engineering. It's about creating connections, solving meaningful problems, and building a brighter future, one project at a time. It truly is living up to its promise of delivering blueprints of honor.